Alright, let's have a look what we got. This is what I had to get separately. The filters, oil filter, fuel filter, thermostats, cylinder head dowels, conrod bolts, and head bolts. Let's have a look what's in the carton. Gasket kit on top. Some paperwork. With engine specs. And timing gears, alignment procedure. So here we got a gasket kit. Very good. Squashed is an empty box. Unrelated window winders. That was probably in that squashed box. Here we have in the mystery box we have motor assembly gear, motor assembly grease, flexi gauge, more stuff. Very nice. This is very nice to get. This looks like piston rings. Yes, that's exactly what it is. We got 4 of them. And we have 4 piston liners for 4Hg1. Yeah. So we have 4 of those. 1, 1, and a 2. So yeah, there's 4 of them. 4 piston rings. Bearings, main bearings. Still sealed. This looks like conrod bearings. Yes, conrod bearings. Thrust washer for the crankshaft, I'd imagine. Bush set. Not sure what the bush set is for without opening it. And in this box here are the pistons and pins. So 4 brand new pistons and pins. Also look very good. And that looks like a nice kit. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching.